I stay in tonight? No, I think I'll stay in tonight.
Starting off, I'm just going to go ahead and seam rip the two sides or the stitching out of my envelope.
This paper town has let me down too many times. Why do I even try?
And here's how it looks.
Isn't why?
Next, I'm going ahead and getting my elastic and just cutting it to the length I need. And basically, I'm going to fold it over the fold, and I'm going to sew it right through a straight line.
I'm just looking for some real friends. All they ever do is let me down. Every time I let somebody in, then I find out what they're all about. I'm just looking for some real friends. Wonder where they're all hiding out.
And you are basically done at this point. I just went ahead and added a little clip so that I could attach it to a little wallet that I have. And yeah.
I stay up talking to the moon. Been feeling so alone in every crowded room. Can't help but feel like something's wrong, yeah. 'Cause the place I'm living in just doesn't feel like home. I'm just looking for some real friends. I'm just looking for some real friends. All they ever do is let me down. Every time I let somebody in, then I find out what they're all about.